Congratulations! If you are now a certified Shopee affiliate, how to get more commission in Shopee? Ito ang tips ko para sa iyo. Create an FB page. All of your generated links should be in one page. Kasi kapag mag-decide ka ng i-boost post yung page mo, isang bagsakan bayad na lang. Dapat yung page name ay nakakabudol na. Kagaya nito, Happy Shopping o di kaya naman ay Buy Wisely. But make sure you share good deal items. Make a caption about the product. To get the attention of your prospective buyer, you have to screenshot the picture from the shop or the item that you generated. Okay, and then make a caption like this. It's time to fill your empty walls with these beautiful paintings. Check out na. And then, don't forget to paste the link you generate. Dahil kapag na-click nila yan, madadirect na sila sa iyong shop. Ganoon na kasimple, may passive income ka na. Share your generated links with family and friends through Messenger. Pagkatapos mong i-generate yung links, share to earn, add to your collections, and then don't forget kung saan napapabilang yung item, i-click lang. Click ang Messenger, share to the group chat or to your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to share to your personal account. Promote items on sale or with free shipping. Free shipping alert, 20 pieces at 129. Basta maka 249 pesos ka, free shipping na. More items meaning more earnings. Be a personal shopper of your friends or family or inform them that before they check out the item, send it to you so that you can generate the link and send it back to them before they place the order. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo para lumaki ang iyong komisyon sa Shopee? Paki-comment naman.